This is an emergency alert issued by the British Broadcasting Channel. Broadcasting has been paused, as we have an important message which may save your life. You may have heard about the issues between Russia, America, Denmark, Greenland, and the United Kingdom. The issues have just evolved to something worse. Russia just recently declared war on the United States. As they are our allies, we have gotten ourselves involved on the side of America, Denmark, and Greenland. This war is the beginning of World War III, stated Donald Trump at a recent convention, to keep yourself protected against bomb, gas, or nuclear strikes. You will need to get enough water to last 3 weeks, ration food for about 2 weeks, get underground, and keep battery-powered radios, as internet sources and transmitters will be interrupted. If a nuclear bomb or regular bomb drops, get in a shelter if you are not already. If you can not evacuate immediately, as you will have less than 14 minutes to evacuate. Do not drive recklessly, as it will cause more disruption to you and others if you crash, and increase the chances of the death of people. Please wait while we gather more information.